Hello, woodworkers and carpenters. Welcome to Woodworking Zone. Whether you're just starting out or have been woodworking for years, these 5 hacks will save you time and make your projects look amazing. Let's get into it. Hack 1: the perfect measuring trick. Tired of measuring tape frustrations? Use this trick. Take a scrap piece of wood, mark your measurement on it, and use it as a template. No more double-checking measurements. You'll have the exact length every time. Hack 2: painter's tape for splinter-free cuts. Ever end up with splinters on your cuts? Here's the fix. Apply painter's tape along your cut line before sawing. It holds the wood fibers in place, giving you a clean edge without splinters. Hack 3: magnet for easy screw pickup. Screws everywhere? Keep a small magnet attached to your drill. It'll hold your screws in place so they're always within reach. Hack 4: glue cleanup with a straw. Glue mess got you down? Grab a drinking straw. Cut it at an angle and use it to scoop up excess glue from corners. It's quick, cheap, and leaves your work clean. Hack 5: the right angle trick with scrap wood. Need a perfect 90-degree angle? Use 2 scrap pieces of wood. Clamp them together to create an instant right angle that you can use for perfect alignment in your builds. And that's it. 5 quick hacks to level up your woodworking game. Try these out on your next project and let us know how they work for you in the comments. Subscribe or follow Woodworking Zone